Hey everyone, Cam from Dovecoat here. So today I want to talk a little bit about wine in context of fermented foods. So when most people think about fermented food, they think of live probiotics, so things like kimchi, sourdough, yogurt. But there's something interesting happening in fermented foods where the microbes are no longer alive, and that includes wine. During fermentation, yeast transforms grape juice into wine. Eventually, those yeast cells die off and settle out. That's what we refer to as lees in winemaking. But the cell walls, the structures that protected those yeasts, remain. Recent research from scientists like Professor Tim Spector suggests that these microbial fragments may still interact with our gut and our immune system. So they're not probiotics, they're not colonizing the gut, but they may help educate the immune system simply by being recognized as microbial material. In other words, fermentation creates complexity not just in flavor, but in biological structure. Wine is not health food, and alcohol should always be consumed in moderation. But it is fascinating to think that when we drink traditionally fermented wine, we're participating in a microbial story that began in the vineyard. Fermentation is transformation of grapes and maybe of us too.